Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be diving deep into two popular motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS Prime B550MA. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a budget-friendly PC, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is designed for high-end builds, supporting the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and DDR5 RAM. It features PCIe 5.0 support, which offers faster data transfer rates compared to the ASUS Prime B550MA, which is limited to PCIe 4.0 and supports only 3rd-gen Ryzen CPUs. This makes the GIGABYTE board a better choice for users looking for future-proofing and top-tier performance. In terms of connectivity, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX excels with its triple M.2 slots and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, providing ample options for high-speed storage and peripherals. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550MA offers dual M.2 slots and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, which, while adequate for most users, may not satisfy those looking for extensive options. This difference can be crucial for gamers and content creators who require fast data access. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is priced at $179, making it a more expensive option. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550MA is available for $119, appealing to budget-conscious builders. While the GIGABYTE board offers advanced features and performance, the ASUS board provides a solid, cost-effective alternative for those who do not need the latest technology. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is an excellent choice for high-performance builds, offering advanced features and future-proofing capabilities. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the ASUS Prime B550MA provides solid performance at a lower price point. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.